You've probably seen a few videos about the siphon hoses that you can buy to get gas out of your vehicles, newer vehicles. It's almost impossible to get gas out. As you can see, there's a fuel vent rollover valve. It's a safety valve in case the vehicle roll over. It'll stop gas from pouring out. So I'm gonna look at my Toyota Tundra. I'm gonna just show you what happens whenever I put a hose in to try to siphon out gas. So when I put it in, I'm gonna show you here, it's gonna go in about 20 inches, then it's gonna hit something. That could be either that rollover valve or it can be some type of ball valve, but it's all for safety. You know, if the vehicle turn over, it stops the gas from pouring out, but it also prevents you from siphoning gas out also. As you can see, I hit something right at about 20 inches. So I think this is what is in my vehicle. As you can see that little ball right there. But if you take that ball off, you can actually see all the way to the bottom and see the fuel pump. So buying these hoses and siphoning things, I don't think they will work. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.